Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to disconnect linked devices like WhatsApp Web, WhatsApp Desktop, or any companion phones and tablets from your WhatsApp account. If you've ever used WhatsApp Web on a computer or connected your account to another phone or tablet, it's important to know how to log out to keep your account secure. Here's how you can do it directly from your primary phone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your main phone. Then tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. That's the More Options menu. From the list, tap Linked Devices. You'll now see a list of all the devices that are currently connected to your WhatsApp account. This includes any browsers, computers, or companion devices you've used. Tap on the device you want to remove. Finally, tap Log Out to disconnect it. That's it. That device is now logged out and can no longer access your WhatsApp messages or media. You can repeat the same steps for any other device you want to remove. It's a quick and easy way to keep your account safe, especially if you've used the public computer or shared device. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on managing WhatsApp privacy settings.